In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Roblox Mobile on PC. Now, there's multiple ways that we can go ahead and approach this, and one way is by using a mobile emulator on a PC, and one of the most popular ones out there is BlueStacks. So what you would need to do is you need to go ahead and open up any web browser and look up BlueStacks over here, then go to the official bluestacks.com website just like so. Then go ahead and press over here where it says download BlueStacks just like so, and now you just want to go ahead and press on the installer right over here, and eventually it is going to give you a pop-up asking you if you wanted to allow changes. So please go ahead and select on yes. I apologize, my screen did go black because I wasn't able to show it, but anyways guys, all you want to do is you want to press on agree and install. Once you're done with that, and all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and just wait for your Android emulator to be installed. All right, so then eventually it is going to go ahead and open up Discord for you if you have it. So again, it is completely up to you if you want to join the BlueStacks Discord server, but you don't necessarily need to. But here it is guys, this is our Android emulator, and slowly it is going to go ahead and load in. All right, so here we are guys, and this is basically supposed to mimic Android games and the Android UI on a PC, so that is definitely pretty useful. So again, if you wanted to play Roblox, all you would need to do is you would need to go to the search bar just like so, and then just type in Roblox right over here, and check this out guys, you can go ahead and download Roblox from here and begin to play it. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.